Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to complete the lab 2 exercise 3 year to date. So we're going to add a few more measure. So the first measure that we add is year to date sales. This is basically a formula to calculate the total year to date. Yeah, so this is a function that you can use, total YTD, yeah. And you just provide in the formula the expression what you want to calculate. Yeah, so in this example we're going to pass the total sales. This is a column. Yeah, so the total YTD is the function. Yeah, so we provide the date. Yeah, and then after that we're going to check the formula, yeah, using this green check button. Then we're going to format the output into the currency format. Then create a few more measure. So after YTD sales or year to date sales, we're going to create the last year year to date sales. So the formula is similar like YTD sales, but the difference is we're going to pass the functions same period last year. So the same period last year we used to calculate the same attribute or the same expression, but the date range is changed to the same period last year. Okay, yeah, so use this function and then pass the date. So the current date, it will be passed to the functions, and then it will check the value at the same date but last year. Okay, and then change the output into the currency format. Then we create again the new measure. Then we name it as year to date sales variance. Okay, so this basically also a currency value that subtract the value of the year to date sales with the last year to date sales. So this is based on the previous two measure that we created earlier. So we minus the year to date sales with the last year to date sales, then we get the year to date sales variance. Format the output to the currency. Then we create one more measure, year to date sales variance in percentage. So the formula is basically dividing the year to date sales variance by the year to date sales last year, and then multiply by the 100% or convert into the percentage format. Yeah. So once you complete the measure formula, you can check whether this syntax is correct or not by check the green arrow, the green checkbox. Yeah. Okay, then change the format to the percentage, yeah, with the 2 decimal value. Okay, after that we're going to display this measure in the report. Yeah, we create another table, and then we populate the table with the measure that just now we created. Yeah, so select the table, then go to the fields. Yeah, select those year to date sales. Yeah, then last year year to date sales, and then the year to date sales variance in the money, yeah, and then year to date sales variance in the percentage. Yeah, then we can see the output is populated in this table. Yeah, so you have seen how to create again the few more measure, and then use the formula, yeah, to get this value. Yeah, in this case is year to date sales, but this measure is different from the column because the measure is only a formula. It will not create a column per row. Okay, thanks for watching the video.